Some people believe Kabbalah originates from a divine source due to its deep integration with Jewish mystical traditions, which claim roots in the divine wisdom revealed at Mount Sinai. Kabbalah provides a profound framework for understanding the hidden aspects of reality, including the nature of God, the structure of the universe, and humanity's role within it. Central to Kabbalistic thought are concepts like the Tree of Life, the Ten Sefirot, and the interplay of spiritual and material realms, all of which are seen as reflections of divine truth. Its teachings, preserved and transmitted through centuries of esoteric study, are considered by many to be too intricate, coherent, and spiritually resonant to be purely human inventions. This belief is reinforced by the idea that Kabbalah unlocks the deeper, mystical layers of the Torah, revealing universal truths that guide individuals toward divine connection, self-realization, and a harmonious understanding of existence.